Hi, how are you today? My name is Steve and welcome back to the IELTS. We've just about covered half of the topics in this book. Now we're going to discuss answer structure. Everyone has different strategies in answering questions, and different questions require different approaches. Using recommended structures in answering questions allows you to construct coherent answers, thereby getting a good score in coherence. The most effective way to organize your answers is to use the PREP structure. P stands for point, where you introduce your answer. R is for reason, E for example, and the last P for point again, which is where you restate your main idea or make a conclusion. Though this can be applied to most situations, remember that answer structures may vary depending on the type of question asked. Let's use the PREP structure in answering this question. Yes, my hometown is in Baguio and I love living there because of the cool weather. For example, the coolest month of the year is December. During this month, I can enjoy playing soccer. That's what I love most about my hometown. Part 1 is the interview part, and it is recommended that you give simple and clear answers. Some answers may be extended, but avoid giving answers that are too long or too short. The most appropriate structure to use in answering questions in Part 1 is PR or PRE. Answering the questions directly, then giving an explanation. Give an example only when it's necessary. A different structure is used in answering questions in Part 2, since cue card questions require describing topics and more detailed answers. If reasoning isn't required, give details instead. Adding an introduction will improve your answer. In Part 3, where you're asked to discuss a topic, giving reasons and examples is needed to discuss your answer. PREP is the best structure to use in answering questions in this part. If it is necessary to add examples, then do so. If your answer has 2 points, give a reason and an example for each point before making a conclusion. Use cohesive devices in introducing your points, linking ideas together, and making a conclusion. You can use different approaches in answering questions throughout the speaking test. These can help you organize your ideas and construct a more coherent answer. That concludes our lesson. I hope that this lesson gave you a greater insight into answer structures. Best of luck to you on the IELTS, and I'll see you in the next discussion. Bye!